Mars. Mars has been a source of fascination for humans for centuries, and our understanding of the red planet has grown exponentially in recent years. From its mysterious formation to its potential for human exploration, there is lots to learn about the fourth planet from the Sun. Here are 10 interesting facts about Mars that you may not have known. From its geological features to its place in the night sky, there is much to explore about the red planet. Mars is in between Earth and Jupiter. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun in our solar system. Mars is red because its surface contains iron. The surface of Mars has lots of rocks, and when they are exposed to Mars' atmosphere, they oxidize and turn reddish, the same way an old bike left in the rain goes red when it gets rusty. A year on Mars is longer than a year on Earth. Mars takes 687 Earth days to orbit around the Sun, meaning the year is 687 Earth days long. You'll need a spacesuit to live on Mars. Mars has a thin atmosphere made up mostly of carbon dioxide, argon, nitrogen, and a small amount of oxygen and water vapor. Mars has almost no oxygen. It's only 0.1% of the air, not nearly enough for humans to survive. Mars has 4 seasons like Earth, and that's not where the similarities end like Earth. Mars has polar ice caps, volcanoes, canyons, and weather. Mars is about half the size of Earth. Mars is the second smallest planet in the solar system after Mercury. It has a diameter of 6,791 kilometers, which makes it about half the size of Earth. You'll need to wrap up warm to visit Mars. It can get pretty cold on Mars because it's further away from the Sun than Earth. At Mars' equator, temperatures can reach 20 centigrade degrees, but at its poles, there can be as low as minus 140 centigrade degrees. That's really cold. Mars has the highest mountains in our solar system. Mars is home to the highest mountain in our solar system. It's a volcano called Olympus Mons. It's about 3 times the height of Mount Everest, the highest mountain in Earth. Mars is named after a Roman god. The Romans believed that gods and goddesses were in charge of everything on Earth. Mars was named after the Roman god of war because its red surface is similar to the color of blood. We are using robots to explore Mars. On November 27, 1971, the lander of Mars 2 crash-landed due to an onboard computer malfunction. Despite the crash, this object still became the first man-made object to reach the surface of Mars. Over the years, NASA has sent 4 robotic vehicles or rovers to learn more about Mars. NASA's 5th Mars rover Perseverance landed on Mars in 2021.